Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. It's Tuesday. We actually have a college here again in my classroom. It's SUNY Plattsburgh. This is Katie. Katie, say hi.
Hi.
So Katie, what are the highs and lows of SUNY Plattsburgh? Remember, the more you know, the better your choices will be. You're creating your legacy. This is how it starts, by listening. What do you got?
All right, so some of the highs, you're definitely going to be creating community at SUNY Plattsburgh. That's something I would definitely stress.
About 5,000 students.
There's about 5,000 students, and we have over 100 clubs and organizations on campus, so a lot of opportunity for networking, making friends, stuff like that.
What's your class size looking like?
We are 20 students to one professor, so if you really wanted to have that quality over quantity for classes, maybe at other schools you'd have more options for classes, but with the professors at SUNY Plattsburgh, you'd be definitely getting, professors who are top of their field, professors who will adjust their teaching style to your learning style.
So yeah, I heard about you guys with the hands-on learning. Can you help me out? What are you referring to?
Yeah, so 100% of our majors do offer internships, independent studies, research opportunities for, with professors as well as on your own. So that's something that's definitely going to look great on a resume, something that most grad school students get, but not a whole lot of undergraduate students get for opportunity.
And what about financial aid? How much is this going to cost out of pocket?
So it is $25,000 per semester. However, only 1 out of 5 students do actually end up paying that. 4 out of 5 students come in with some type of financial aid and pay approximately $10,000 to $17,000, depending on your own personal circumstances. But there's a lot of opportunity for scholarships and financial aid.
Okay, what are the majors that you guys are known for?
Yeah, so psychology, nursing's big, criminal justice.
What's the GPA you need to get into your nursing program?
90. We are looking for a 90 minimum GPA.
SAT score on that nursing program would help or not even.
Again, test optional, so if you wanted to submit those scores, if you did a good job, you can
So
submit
we're looking
those.
13, 12, something like that for nursing?
About, yeah.
Just remember what we're saying.
Yeah.
Again, we recommend you do some SAT prep every day if you're serious about this stuff. And you have pre-vet, and also someone told me you guys have association with farms in the area. Can you tell me what we're talking about with that?
Yeah, so we do have pre-vet track. We actually also have pre-dental track, pre-med track, pre-physiotherapy track. That is through our biomedical major. And yes, we do have partnerships with barns in the area. We do have partnership with the Minor Institute, which is huge. They're an independently owned research facility that has a lot of dairy cows, a lot of horses that you can interact with either publicly or as a student. So
Now, how far are you from the city? I know you're about an hour from Montreal, about an
Yes.
hour from Burlington, I want to say. Am I right with that?
yes.
How
So
far are you from New York City?
we are a 5 to 7 hour car ride depending on where you leave from the city and at what time. And then there's an 8-hour train ride up to Plattsburgh, as well as options for Adirondack Trailways and Greyhound for buses.
So I'm from Brooklyn, so to get from one side of Brooklyn to the other is adding an extra hour and a half. So for me, it would probably be about 9. Okay, hey, thank you so much, everybody. If you have questions, throw them in the comments. We're here with Katie again from Plattsburgh SUNY. You guys have a great day.